Hi, we want to introduce the Bobcat TL3870 telehandler, now available from TVE Hire and Sales. The Bobcat TL3870 telehandler excels in both farm and warehouse environments due to its versatile design. Let me highlight a few key features of this telehandler. Its long arm extension significantly aids in stacking bales or pallets at height, maximizing storage efficiency. High-flow hydraulics accelerate material handling, crucial for rapid loading and unloading. The machine's stability and robust build ensure safe operation on uneven terrain or warehouse floors. The TL38 offers great operator comfort with enhanced visibility from the asymmetric cab, reduces fatigue during long shifts. Finally, its maneuverability enables precise placement in tight spaces, benefiting both farmyard and warehouse layouts. To find out more, contact me, Matt at TVE Hire and Sales, and I will be happy to give you more information and set up a demonstration.